What's up, Juice Nation? I'm Jay Cav, and today we're unboxing the Nama C2 juicer and blender. I'm an audio engineer, content creator, juicing enthusiast, and most importantly, a believer from the British Virgin Islands. And welcome to my channel, your go-to source for health and wellness through juicing and so much more. And if you're as excited as I am, go ahead and smash the like button and be among the first people to subscribe. Let's go! For those of you unfamiliar with Nama as it was a few years ago, Nama produces thoughtful and well-designed products and accessories centered around juicing. The C2 is one of your latest products. It's powerful but simple and easy to use, so even if you're new to juicing, you'll be up and running in no time, and it's guaranteed to take your juices, smoothies, and so much more to the next level. Nama is intentional and thoughtful with everything they do, from designing such awesome boxes to making them compostable. So hats off to Nama for that. And with juicing in mind, let me know down in the comment section below, what's your favorite juice recipe to make? Now in box 1 of 2, you'll find the blender jug. One of the benefits of a C2 is that it combines the power of a cold-pressed juicer with the ability of a high-powered blender all in one machine. Additionally, you get the chamber set, which is what you'll be using for your juicing. And finally, the quick start guide, which contains a user manual and some recipe books as well. Now as a heads up, box 2 is slightly heavy, as you'll find your container set, your strainers, which you get 2 in total, along with an additional attachment. And finally, of course, your motor base. So this is everything that comes in both boxes. Now the first thing you'll want to do when unboxing your C2 is read through the Getting Started Guide and Owner's Manual. Nama's also included a few recipe books to help with juicing, smoothies, and more to help you take full advantage of your machine. Out the box, you get a coarse strainer and a sorbet attachment. You also get both a juice and pulp container. The chamber set comes pre-assembled. You also get the blender jug, which has a capacity of 100 ounces, along with a pusher, which we'll take a look at in a second. Turning the knob to the left on the motor base gives you 5 blender auto presets. Turning the knob to the right to on allows you to start juicing by pressing start. You also get manual control of your blending speed. The C2 recognizes when you put on either the blender jug or chamber set. However, placing either on the base can take some fiddling, so it's completely normal if you don't get it on your first try. Just line up the metal piece and gently adjust until you hear the click. It also goes without saying, but please be sure to wash everything before using. Inside the chamber set, you get a juice strainer, which has smaller holes than the coarse strainer and helps to create nutrient-rich juice and plant-based milk. The holes in the coarse strainer are bigger, so if you prefer your juice with added fiber, this would be the strainer to use. The C2 can also make delicious sorbets. This was a separate attachment you had to purchase with the J2, but comes included with your purchase of a C2. The C2 also comes with a pusher to add produce both while you're juicing or blending, and also includes a cleaning brush which helps to make your cleanup a lot easier. The juice container holds 64 ounces and is placed on the left side of the machine. The pulp container holds about the same volume and is placed on the right side. So here's a look at the C2 and the J2, which was my introduction to Nama. And for those of you that are interested in specs, I'll throw up the size comparison on the screen. The C2 is slightly larger and heavier than the J2, so if space is a concern, I would absolutely recommend either the J2 or J3. If you want the best of the best that Nama provides, I definitely recommend the C2 as it combines so many different machines into one. So as you can tell, I'm a huge fan of the C2 and Nama as a whole and can't wait to start juicing with it. But I'm curious to hear from you. Is the C2 a potential replacement to your current juicer and blender? Let me know down in the comment section below your thoughts about the C2 and what recipes you'd like me to try. New content is coming very soon, so make sure you're subscribed and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And check out my watermelon juicing video using the J2. Take care, be safe, and keep juicing.